Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to MorganGordonTV. If you guys are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I look a hot mess. No need to like sugarcoat it. I'm sitting like in my little work area right now, and it's honestly past midnight. It's 12:15. I have work in the morning, and my hair isn't done. I honestly have just been sitting in my room, like just not wanting to move, quite honestly, and actually just got hot. I need to turn the air on. But yeah, I need to do my hair. You guys can see I have in a sew-in, so like this is my real hair and this is the sew-in, honey, and it's a hot behind mess. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and show you guys the process I do to wash my extensions, my sew-in extensions in my hair. The products that I use on my real hair are typically design essentials. It's the almond and avocado moisturizing detangling sulfate free shampoo and the rosemary and mint super moisturizing conditioner. What I'm using today on my extension hair is the Mane and Tail and Body shampoo. Honestly, like I just like to keep this here just in case I run out of anything. And I mean, why not? Mane and Tail works. And I picked this up from the dollar store the other day. It's the VL5 Passion Fruit Smoothie Conditioner. I also like to use Suave. I also like to use Dove. This is just what I have now in terms of shampoo and conditioner, cheapy shampoo and conditioner. So that's gonna be it. So let's wash this hair. Finally out of the shower, and I have this big old cotton t-shirt on my head. It's just like a t-shirt, you know, like when you get it for free, or like your dad's, your boyfriend's, whatever. So I just went ahead and threw on a big old t-shirt on top of my head. I'm going to allow this to just soak up the extra moisture that I don't really want to deal with while I'm blow drying out my hair, because I kind of want it to be a quicker process. But before I do that, I typically go ahead and wash my face. If you guys want to see my skin routine, be sure to comment down below and to give this video a big thumbs up. If you get this video some 5 likes, I will be sure to do my skincare routine for you guys. In the meantime, let me go ahead and wash this face and moisturize this face, and I'm gonna come back to you guys when it's time to blow dry my hair. We're back. My battery died really quick, but we're back. Like I was saying, in case it got cut off, I like to use the Marrakesh Argan and Hemp Oil Therapy Leave-In Treatment and Detangler. I like to use more oil-based because I feel like it just coats my hair a little bit more and stops it from getting so damaged. This is like a quick version of what I do to wash my hair. Typically, I do like to deep condition my hair with a deep conditioning conditioner, but I'm in a rush, and it's like midnight, and like I went through this whole spiel already. You get it, you know. And I also like to use some heat protectant that I'm actually running out of. It's the Tresemme Thermal Creations. I've been using this one for years. It's my go-to. So and in spray that in there. I use the Sedu Revolution. This used to be like a super popular flat iron back in the day. I don't know if it still is, but she's still true to me. that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot from my process of cleansing and blending my curly extensions with my real hair when wearing a sew-in. If you guys have any questions, be sure to comment down below. Let me know any tricks or products that you guys use. And of course, give this video a big thumbs up so I know that I can make more videos like this that you guys enjoy it. I love you guys so much. Mwah! Be sure to subscribe and I'll be back with more content.